Is there a link between how we get our news and the ways citizens interact with their government? Are certain outlets and media practices altering the nature of our politics, shifting the very fabric of our system? Has social media changed the meaning of facts? Can we still hold leaders accountable? In this course, we explore the dynamic, important role that the media plays in American politics. From reading philosophical writings and Supreme Court cases on freedom of the press, to viewing examples of current news programming and social media posts. Our mission is to explore the transformation, the big changes that are underway between the media and our democracy. Students hone their critical thinking skills by engaging in thoughtful, productive debate. They learn how to confront controversial topics and read complex material in a more sophisticated way. The ultimate goal is to leave the course having become more savvy consumers of the media and more effective citizens in our democracy.